Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to connect an external application to our MAGIO circulators. In this case, we will connect the primary circuit of a glass reactor, which the MAGIO will then control the temperature of. Let's have a look at the MAGIO. First of all, you have to switch off the MAGIO and disconnect it from the mains voltage. You will not need to drain the bath if it's already filled. On the back of the MAGIO, you will find two connections that are closed with an M16x1 collar nut. One is labeled output and the other is labeled input. So you know in which direction the fluid will circulate. To connect the reactor tubes, simply loosen the two nuts with a wrench in size 19 and connect them with a maximum torque of 3 Nm to the MAGIO. The output is always connected to the lower connection at the reactor or external recipient and the input to the upper connection. In this way, possible air in the system will be able to escape correctly. To ensure you get the best performance, we offer special insulated tubing in various different lengths. Please make sure not to bend the tubing too much and always keep the specified bending radius in mind. For a more convenient connection, we also offer different elbow fittings. Pro tip: for really smooth connections, you can additionally use an anti-seize spray or paste. Finally, don't forget to connect the external temperature sensor like this PT100. Among JULABO's portfolio of accessories, you can find many options for PT100 sensors. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.